Hey, what's up, guys? Home from work like an hour earlier than normal, so gonna see what we can get done on this today. So I'm gonna get the wheel off, jack the car up, probably fit the tub in, and see where we gotta start cutting. So should be productive. At least I hope it's gonna be. Well, check back in a few. Okay, here's where we stand, and I got one hand, so that's about, definitely got to get moved over, but yeah, it's hard to do it by yourself. So down here is definitely a constriction point for it, so I gotta look into that. Up there, I don't know, really don't know. So we'll take care of that as it goes. In the front here is where a lot of this is happening. Okay, this got to come forward probably about a ½ inch. So, all right. So basically, I got to trim out some more of this. We're close. We're close. I know the angle makes it look like it's a lot, but we're definitely close right in here. So this got to come out. I think when some of that comes out, I could trim some of this. I definitely got to take these pieces off next. Up here, I still got some problems with the, I don't know, this waffle metal, whatever the fuck that is. So, but it's definitely getting there. I could actually take it in and out pretty easy now. So, we're definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. Again, I really don't know what to do up in here, but we'll figure it out. So let me get to work and I will give you an update shortly. Well, it's been a couple days. A lot of rain on my day off. I didn't work late yesterday, but I got out here for about an hour so far, and we're getting there. I got to straighten this out where it goes up against it, but we're getting close. This will fit right up in there where it's supposed to. Underneath here, we're getting real close. Okay, it's getting up there. This takes shape once you start tack welding it in. Definitely gonna have to cut. Make a cut through here. I don't know how yet, but there's a couple pieces for this side. So now here where we're standing, I got to take more of this off. Not that far over. It's got pushed way forward, so it's a little out of shape. It's kind of hard to point out on the video, but I see where the issue is. So I did cut too far into here, so I'm definitely gonna have to put like a 1/4 inch piece into there. This, I gotta get this waffle part of it off, and then I'll just leave the metal behind it. Really does nothing that I could tell, but what I will do is see how much room I have, and I'll take some, you know, maybe 1/8 sheet metal and weld something across here just so it looks better. I didn't straighten out any of this cut yet. Now here, as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, this is going in on an angle. That's because it's right up against the old wheel well where it should be. So here, I'm gonna have to trim this, and I made a line. So this is gonna have to come off and trim this, and then this should slide right down. This covers that. So we're definitely getting there. I'd like to say I'd have this part all fit in tonight, but I'm not even gonna attempt it. There's not enough time. I don't want to be breaking it off on my neighbors too with the power tools here. Air tools, shit like that, too late in the night, but I'm probably going to trim a little bit more of this. It's really, I know it looks like a lot here, but it's really only like an eighth I got to get off. And this, I got to take this off right here. Right there, the snub, right there. Got to come off. So I'm going to try to get that done and see where it ends up. So keep checking back. I'll keep making progress. I just wish I had a full day to work on this thing, which hasn't happened. So we'll see how I make out tonight. Well, guys, that's about it for tonight. Seeing a lot how it fits. I think right here is a constriction point right now. Tub's all smooth up to where I cut that off. Then it gets all fucked up over here, and it's throwing this on an angle. So I'm gonna take all this off, but I'll have to do it tomorrow or Sunday. But I'm definitely learning a lot. We got this fitting better. I gotta cut this kind of on this line because this is the way down in here. This little nub that kicks over. If I do that, I'll probably have to make a couple cuts here. Get it to kind of shape down. In doing that, this is almost where it needs to be. It's got to come down maybe another, slide down maybe another inch, and I think this is stopping it. All up in here, it's fitting pretty damn fucking good. So definitely making progress. This right here isn't fitting flush, and I think it's because of this, I don't know, these waffle fucking things or whatever it is they did on that, which makes zero sense to me. So you can see how it won't let it sit flush up against where I cut it at that body line. Again, and then this, like I said, that's throwing it off. It's pushing it down when it shouldn't be. So then I just got to figure out what to do here. This piece is not needed. So once I get this to sit right, I'll figure out what to do with this. May have to cut it in some way. I don't think, like I said, I don't think this is used. I have another piece that comes back here. There's two. One of them I wasn't sure on, and it kind of looks like if I cut this, it will go from the tub down to the floor. So we're getting there. Again, I just wish I had a little bit more time. You know, it's definitely learn as you go. But then the nightmare is going to be this side. I'm not looking forward to that side. I almost wish I did that side first, but I didn't. It was just the way the car was facing. So, well, everybody have a good night. And like I said, any tips or anything, please leave comments. And I'll see you soon.